Photonbar, a compact and portable LED stick for light painting and freeze light photography. Photonbar works through Wi-Fi connection with a smartphone or a tablet. Its app allows you to upload and store up to 200 custom-made images. Set up your camera to long exposure mode, start moving around, and enjoy the exceptional results. With Photonbar, you will have unlimited possibilities. Taking freeze light photos with Photonbar is easy and fun. Its lightweight design allows you to make amazing light graffiti anywhere you want. Powered by 18650 replaceable lithium battery, Photonbar can work up to 6 hours on a single charge. It has been designed to work with any smartphone camera that supports long exposure mode. Express your creativity with the Photonbar.